Roman Pierce, FBI, on the ground.
Neil?
On the ground, do it now.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not...
On the ground, right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
Got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family protects you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in another time.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate. Shell tricks us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle. It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door. Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
Everybody, I can take it now. Here's a good time to put those three glasses on and get ready. Owen Shaw's getting...
Way to go, Letty. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this. Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.
Sabia.